Today we're in my Saab 9.3 2007 model year, and I'm going to show you how to change the bulb that lights the ashtray in the center console. Now this is easier with two hands, one there and one here, but I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed. With it open, just pull it this way down and towards the gear stick. Once you've released it from the clips, it just slides out. Disconnect the wire that goes to the back of the bulb holder, and if you close the drawer back up, you can now clearly see the bulb in the bulb holder. Now lift the bulb holder away from the power socket. Now it's very hard to see. On each side of the black part, which holds the actual bulb itself, there are two little black pips that locate into that hole and hold it in. So what you need to do is use a probe on each side just to pull the green part slightly apart so that you can pull the black part out. And once you've done that, the bulb just pulls out. Just push the replacement T5 1.2 watt bulb back into the bulb holder, and then those two parts just push back together. Now just push the bulb holder back into its clipped position. Reconnect the wire, and hey presto, the light comes on. In the top of the ashtray assembly there's a little Fresnel window, and when the ashtray opens, the bulb actually shines into that Fresnel, which causes the light to shine down into the ashtray. To put the ashtray back, then these little wings are slides that go into those slots here. As you can see too, I've put a little bit of anti-squeak tape on the slides as well, one each side, and just push it back into place, like so. I use a USB adapter in my power socket, and it is quite subtle. There you go. You get a little green glow comes out of the Fresnel window.